shape the way. Step by step, the code will stay. Hours fade, but I press on. From scattered thoughts to something strong. Nested tags aligned with care. A vision grows, it's taking there. HTML whispers the start of a dream. CSS flows like a guiding stream. Piece by piece, I bring it to life. Through care, resolve, and inner drive.
Each new step reveals what's next. Patterns learned, the work connects. From the plan to the final test, I give my all, I build my best.
Lines refine, the layouts clean. Each small touch where thoughts have been. Through careful craft, it takes its form. A story built to stand and warm. Lines in place, the structure grows. Step by step, the vision shows. With every change, the shape aligns. A quiet weight, the work we find. HTML whispers the start of a dream. CSS flows like a guiding stream. Piece by piece, I bring it to life. Through care, resolve, and inner drive. HTML whispers the start of a dream. CSS flows like a guiding stream. Piece by piece, I bring it to life. Care, resolve, and inner drive. With every line, I found my way. A world created bright as day. Through the code, the story's told. A dream that's been turning
a few keystrokes, I start the show. A world where creativity will surely flow. In my editor, I shape the glow. HTML with feelings that grow. Lighting up the night with lines of code. CSS colors on a digital road. JavaScript sparks the grand design. In this space where our worlds align. Indentations and transitions rise. The journey crafted right before your eyes. Debugging until the bugs are no more. Can't wait to see what's in store. Lighting up the night with lines of code. CSS colors on a digital road. JavaScript sparks the grand design. In this space where our worlds align. Indentations and smooth transitions rise. A journey crafted right before your eyes. Debugging until the bugs are no more. Can't wait to see what's in store. Lighting up the night with lines of code. CSS colors on a digital road. JavaScript sparks the grand design. In this space where our worlds align. Dreams and tags and attributes I write, creating radiance from the night. Functions and styles play in tandem in the glow of my tiny lantern. In the console, each line I test, ensuring it's the very best. Script by script, it's all just right. Blazing trails with code inside. In the console.